Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Bee's Knees cocktail full guide. Combine gin, fresh lemon juice, and honey syrup in a shaker with ice. Shake vigorously until well chilled, then double strain into a chilled coupe. Garnish with a lemon twist and enjoy immediately. Adjust sweetness by adding more or less honey syrup, and taste as you go to achieve the balance you prefer. Gather 2 Oz gin, 3-4 Oz fresh lemon juice, and 3-4 Oz honey syrup before you start. Prepare honey syrup by stirring equal parts honey and hot water until fully combined and cooled. Keep a fine strainer or julep strainer handy for a cleaner pour. Chilling your glass and using plenty of ice will help control dilution and keep the cocktail crisp and refreshing when served. If you are enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're comfy while you shake and stir. I place the link and other deals in the description for easy access, so take a peek when you can. Now let's get back to the video. Start by adding gin, lemon juice, and honey syrup to a shaker filled with fresh ice. Shake vigorously for about 10 to 15 seconds until the tin feels very cold to the touch. Then double strain into your chilled glass. Taste and tweak sweetness or acidity in small increments, and finish with a lemon twist expressed over the drink to release aromatic oils for a bright, inviting sip.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.